What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Charmaine and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I will be making my breakfast muffins that I learned how to make a little while ago. So come with me and see how my breakfast muffins come out. Alright, peace. Certain things in this video are optional. You can switch them out, you can take them out and whatnot, and you know, just in case you are allergic or if you don't like it. So come with me. For this recipe, I use 6 broiled bananas. I know you see 5 here. Hempseed, agave, peanut butter, coconut oil, oats, bacon powder, and salt. So first what you want to do is add your bananas, mash them up, and then follow through with your peanut butter. I usually make peanut butter from scratch, but today I didn't feel like it. After I added the peanut butter, I mixed both peanut butter and banana together, and then I added a handful of oats. This is the consistency with all 3 combined. Next, I added a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and baking powder with a drizzle of agave. Next, I added a handful of hemp seed. I then greased my pan with coconut oil and then add the batter. I baked my muffins on 200 degrees for 20 minutes because I have an electric oven. Alright y'all, so y'all already know that I'm sitting down here to taste and review my product. Now I've made these muffins before, so I may have perfected them. Let's see. So yes, my hands are clean. I just finished washing them. I was about to drop my muffins. So look, I made 6 of them. No, they aren't burnt. I'm gonna take one out the little thing now. Boom. Look at that. Hold on. Okay. Oh, it's still hot. Yep. It's still hot. All right, I'm gonna give, y'all already know I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I'm my biggest critic. All right. Okay, I like it a lot. Well, I'm gonna state the obvious. It tastes like banana, like a lot of it. But it's not overbearing, like it's not. Surprisingly, I don't taste the peanut butter as much. I taste it, but it's not as strong. You know what's funny? I usually make my peanut butter from scratch. I just didn't feel like making it today, like. It's like a, you ever had bread pudding? If you ever had bread pudding, that's the consistency of this right now. The first time I made it, it came out perfect. I'm gonna put the original recipe in it because I did substitute certain things. Consistency like this does. But overall, I do like it. I taste the peanut butter now, okay? So yeah, I do taste the peanut butter now. The main reason why I like this recipe is because it doesn't have flour in it. Like this has no flour, no eggs, no milk, you know, no dairy products. And I was looking for something that I could make with hemp seeds. And this was a perfect, you know, recipe. So guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel at Unique Beauty 6228. Also follow my Instagram at Unique Beauty 6228, and I'll see you guys after my next video. Peace. Also, hit that notification bell. In the comment section, let me know what desserts you like best. What's your favorite? What's your top? Let me know what you think about these, how they look, and let me know if you try them out yourself and see how yours come out.